The 6180 Mini Fuser features two welders, a hot air welder and an airless plastic welder. The hot air welder heats up instantly when it's picked up from the holster and is ready to weld in about 10 seconds. The temperature and airflow are easy to adjust to suit different types and thicknesses of plastic. When you return the hot air welder to the holster, it automatically goes into cool down mode for safety. No air compressor is required because the Mini Fuser features its own onboard air pump. The Mini Fuser comes with a large selection of the most popular plastic welding rods, so you can get started welding right away. The Mini Fuser is ideal for quick and strong repairs to virtually any thermoplastic, like on agricultural plastics, recreational equipment, and auto parts such as bumper covers, headlight tabs, windshield washer reservoirs, and so on. With the Mini Fuser, you can repair virtually any kind of damaged plastic,